What do buck scrapes tell you about white-tailed deer? Imagine walking through the woods and spotting fresh scrape marks on a branch, with scent lingering in the air. That's a sign of a buck nearby, and it can tell you a lot about his behavior. Buck scrapes are a common sight in white-tailed deer territory, especially during the rut. When a male deer creates a scrape, he uses glands on his forehead, around his eyes, and on his nasal area to deposit scent on an overhanging branch called a licking branch. He then paws the ground beneath it, often urinating to spread his scent even more. This behavior is a way for him to mark his territory and communicate with other bucks. Scrapes serve several important roles. They help bucks establish boundaries within their home range and show other males who is in charge. When a buck revisits a scrape, he checks for the scent of rivals, giving him a sense of who is nearby and how strong they are. As the rut approaches, especially from October onward, bucks create more scrapes. They often make primary scrapes near bedding areas or food sources, which are the best spots for hunters to find active buck activity. Although does sometimes investigate scrapes by licking the branches, they rarely paw or urinate in them. So, scrapes are mainly a way for bucks to communicate with each other, not to attract does directly. For hunters, understanding these signs is very helpful. Fresh scrapes mean a buck has been there recently, and that area is likely part of his core travel route. If you want to hunt a mature buck, it's best to watch for scrapes that are fresh and active, especially during dawn or dusk. Setting up your stand downwind of a scrape within about 40 to 60 yards can increase your chances of spotting a buck passing by. Some hunters even create fake scrapes, mimicking natural behavior to lure in bucks. Monitoring how often scrapes are visited and how fresh they are can tell you when the rut is peaking and when bucks are moving most actively. In short, buck scrapes are a complex form of communication among male whitetails. They mark territory, show dominance, and help bucks keep tabs on rivals. For hunters, these signs are like a map of buck movement and activity. Paying attention to fresh scrapes and their locations can help you plan your hunt better, giving you a good shot at catching a big buck during the right time of year.